Go. Hi guys, it's Fielding. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have...
Hi.
It's Sondre. Okay, so we've got a McDonald's. I've got the Grand Mac, a medium meal. You have the fillet of fish. And we have to share... Oh, Harry, good. We've got some mozzarella dippers. Okay, let's just dig in because we're starving. Oh. We've got loads of sauces as well. We've got the... Do you want a fork?
Can I have it, please?
Yeah. We've got... Do you want some mayo? Do you want mayo as well?
No.
No.
What are you doing?
Just stop. I've never had mayo at McDonald's before.
I'm gonna open this chili sauce. Oh, what's wrong with the battery or something?
Oh, that's fine. We're still recording. We've got sweet chili sauce, sour cream.
I love sweet chili sauce, honestly. I like that. Can you just... Oh, thank you.
I've never had mayonnaise at McDonald's before.
No.
It's amazing. It's so good. I'm not even joking. That's just because I've been healthy eating for so long.
Yeah, but... Yeah.
Anything will taste good. So what have we done today?
Me?
Us.
Watching movie?
Yeah. What did we do this afternoon? What did we do this afternoon? Where did we go?
Swimming. Gym swimming. I really enjoyed the swimming today.
We went in the steam room.
Yeah, in the steam room. Yeah.
Sweet cheese sauce.
I took that so much. I know that paper, the paper gonna save you a life. So from the coronavirus, I just took this off. Can you open that?
That's all everyone's talking about is the coronavirus. I'm sure they're sick of it.
It's not now fake for me, like on the news or Facebook.
Let's not talk about it.
Like sound getting fake like for me. So I don't trust it.
It's real.
I don't think so.
Of course it is. Let's not talk about it. I'm honestly over it. We're still all having to work and go to work. I know lots of countries have, you know, been shut down. Been told to isolate.
Italy, Spain, Portugal.
But here in the UK we have to go to work. So that's just brilliant.
It's so salty.
What is?
It's just, I don't know what it's called.
Fries.
Fries. Don't finish it.
I'm not going to finish it.
Yeah.
But it is good. Don't forget to eat your fillet. So if anyone is wondering how my diet is going, it's going well. I lost 8 pounds last week, making my total 2 stone 11 pounds. Weight loss altogether. I don't know what, yeah, 2 stone. I don't know what that total is in pounds or kilos, but 2 stone. 1 stone is 14 pounds. So I've lost 2 stone and then a further 10 or whatever. Do you like the fries?
That's good.
With mayonnaise, oh my god.
Make sure guys, how are you good? Make sure guys subscribe.
Say it, go on.
Subscribe the video.
No, subscribe to the channel. But make sure you give the video a thumbs up.
Yeah.
So, we've got the Monopoly coming. At the end of this month, Monopoly, McDonald's Monopoly. So, I don't know if you have this anywhere else, but we have this thing called McDonald's Monopoly. And when you buy a meal and on the drinks, and sometimes you open like a Monopoly sticker, and you can sometimes win free food, or you can win.
Where's going?
I think it's like the end of March, 27th.
It's Corona. Why is that never gonna happen?
No, it will. McDonald's will be that place that stays open regardless.
What?
That one's yours. We're eating so fast.
Me? I'm good to eat. When I eat much, then you say you eat much. When I eat,
no, you're eating fast.
Not much. And when I'm fast, you say fast. When I'm slow, you say, what do you want? Oh, how do you do it?
Back to work tomorrow. For you as well.
I was like,
I think we're doing the same shift tomorrow. I'm on a 12 to 8.
I was like, wish they closed for 2 weeks. But they don't.
If you say you've got like ill, I haven't even started my burger.
Why they open
The size of this burger. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so big.
It's the Grand Big Mac. So this is a bigger Big Mac. I don't even like Big Mac sauce, so I got it because it was the biggest thing on the menu and I was hungry.
You was hungry?
I don't like Big Mac sauce, but we move. Let's just look at that. Let's go. Do you want a bite?
No.
Look at all that sauce. There's a reason I don't like Big Macs. Because I hate pickles. And I just tasted one. I'm hoping that was the only pickle. No, there's another. Ugh. I just don't like pickles.
Neither. I hate it.
Yeah, it's gross. We wanted to go on holiday, didn't we? But we're not going to book one now. Not at the moment. Not unless all of this dies down. Because I've got loads of friends who have their holidays cancelled this week. And are cancelling their holidays for the next few months that are coming up. Have you finished?
Not yet. I look a bit fine. I'm so full right now.
Not gonna have any ice cream.
Me? Ice cream?
I'm gonna make some with the bananas.
Oh yeah.
I might do later.
I don't know.
I can't eat the bread. I don't like the sauce. I'm just gonna eat the burger. Do you know what I should have got? Quarter pounder. Look at that. Go try. I do like onions though. I'm getting full. I'm full.
Okay.
I'm not eating that.
Save it. What is that?
It's a mayo chicken, but add cheese and tomato. You want it?
Save it. No, I'm not. I'm cool. I'm gonna let it go. can't eat even my fries, so...
Can't even eat your fries. What are we at? 10 minutes. We ate fast. We devoured that food. So, Sondre bought me this jumper at Christmas. It didn't fit me, did it?
Yeah.
It was like, I couldn't even get it on. It was that tight. And now, it fits me perfectly. So that just goes to show how much weight I've lost.
How much you got?
I've already said.
Oh, yeah.
Pour this rubbish away. You're not eating the fries?
No, I'm not going to have it. Don't eat it.
I want it. Okay. Don't want to make sounds. So, anything else you want to say? No.
I'm just tired.
Okay, so, like I said, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are able to, don't forget to share my videos on your social media. I really want to get to 300 subscribers. Oh, that felt good. I'm at 222.
And also, please, 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 do not act all about coronavirus. It's never gonna happen, and everybody's hopefully they are safe, and this thing is not gonna save your life. Like
the toilet paper. People are language.
Fighting in
the supermarkets for toilet paper.
So please do not act like
panic buy.
Yeah. So
just buy what's necessary. You don't need to go over the top. Obviously, if you have to quarantine for 2 weeks, I understand that to an extent. But where have they come from?
I bring it.
Okay. Right, yeah, I'm going to end this video now. So, like, comment, let me know what you think. If you want to see him in more videos, you probably don't, because he's annoying. But yeah.
Subscribe.
Bye.